Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 48 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, you want to grab this for yourself. Head over to this link here. That'll take you to their website, folks. And you can take out a subscription and be building along with me. So let's have a quick scope through the mag. This is the TV show, the Yeg Foes in Gotham. Happy days. You then got great Batman comics there. Batman and White Knight. Batman Year by Year. Looking rather good there. Detective DC comics there for the people that read those. And then we've got our car parts. Now today we've got the front and back part of the radiator and the top and bottom tanks that are going together like so. Okay, so we're going to be joining them like that, and then we're going to be putting the front section on using 4 AP screws, and then that's what we're going to have at the end of it, peeps. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we'll set up and we'll get that started for you. Right, we've got our parts there, so let's grab a screw, get one ready, and a bit of oil so that we can start putting this radiator together, peeps. Okay, so let's grab part 48A, which is that bit there, and you want that with these bracket bits towards the top. So you got the longer section there, a little cutout just up that way. Okay, and then you want to grab 48B, which is this bad boy with the posts at the back apparently. So let's just get that on there. Bit of a tight fit, but it goes like that. And then you want to do the same with the front bit. Okay, so let's get that in place, make sure we're going the correct way like that. And then we got the front part to go over the two just like so. Okay, and we want that looking like so, and then we can put our 4 screws in. So we got that going in there like that. Make sure that's lining up, and then I'm going to do my diagonals like I normally do. Just my personal preference, folks, that's all. We'll come down that way like that. And then bring that over onto there. Just like that. And then we got one more screw to go in the other side. So we spin that round and send that home in there. Like that. And then just go around quickly tightening everything just to make sure they're all done. And that's what you're going to end up with today. You're going to end up with your little radiator sitting there looking rather splendid, folks. Okay, so just checking the orientation is correct, which it is. The posts are facing the rear, cap at the top there, bomb, and that's how it's going to go in the car. So that's what you're going to end up with, folks. So if you'd like to build along with me, grab this for yourself, head over to the Fanhome website. Link is just there. And there's a clickable version below in the description. Pop. And you too can be building along with me, folks. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little Festa Pops in the corner there and subscribe to me channel and ring the bell, I'll be massively grateful. Helps me grow me channel. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Thanks for coming in and keeping little old me company. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now.